How to block ads on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can block your ads on your Facebook account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap on three bar icon on your top page, then tap onto the gear icon. Here under Meta, tap on See More in Accounts Center. Under Account Settings, tap on Ad Preferences, then tap on Manage Info. Under here, tap on Categories Used to Reach You. Tap on View and Manage. Then here, tap on Remove for all of these options. And just like so, this is how you can block ads in your Facebook. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.